I'm Ben Evans, owner of American Pools and Spas. In recognition of Water Safety Month, we are proud to partner with three-time Olympic gold medalist Rowdy Gaines to help keep your family safe.
At a social gathering, when children and adults are around water, it is imperative that children are actively supervised at all times. And a great way to do this is through a designated water watcher. The idea is simple. For increments of 15 to 20 minutes, one responsible adult will wear the water watcher badge. While they have the badge, they commit to supervising and constantly keeping the children in sight. It is crucial to eliminate distractions such as smartphones during your water watcher duty. When the allotted time is up, the water watcher badge is passed on to the next adult.
Whoa.
Hey, I think your 15 minutes are up.
All right.
Yeah.
They've been good so far.
Yeah. Who should I keep an eye out for?
The one in the white shirt.
The white
He's
shirt.
causing trouble. I'll find someone to get your place here in a minute.
All right, thanks. Ooh. Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Ooh.
Remember that toddlers will require additional adult supervision and should never be more than an arm's length away from an adult. It's important to understand that accidents can happen in a matter of seconds. So in addition to your water watcher plan, having adults with CPR training on site can be the difference between life and death. If you want to find out more information about how to keep your kids safe in and around water, just go to American-Pools.com.